In this video, you will learn how to use Purion 400. Here is an example, together with a system controller. Click on Connect Now on the home screen of the eBike Flow app, and then follow the instructions to connect your Purion 400 equipped e-bike. You can only use all the features of the eBike Flow app to their full extent once you have registered your e-bike. To switch the e-bike on and off, press the on-off button on the system controller or your control unit. Press and hold the selection button on the mini remote for longer than 1 second when you are on the status screen to access the settings menu. If you then briefly press the selection button, you will be taken to the respective submenu. Press the selection button on the mini remote again for longer than 1 second to go back. Use the plus or minus button on the mini remote to change the riding mode. Press and hold the selection button on the mini remote on every screen except the status screen for longer than 1 second to access the quick menu. For example, to reset your current ride data or adjust the cadence of eShift. If you press and hold the selection button again for longer than 1 second, you will exit the quick menu again. You can customize the status bar of the Purion 400 in the settings menu. Here you can choose whether you want to display your speed, the battery status, or the time. To go to the next screen on Purion 400, briefly press the selection button on the mini remote. You can see which screen you are on from the marking in the bottom bar,